guys, welcome back to the Essence of Mohana channel where I do tutorial videos on digital art, graphite drawings, and paintings. And today we'll be drawing Starbucks' famous, delicious dragon fruit drink in Adobe Draw. And this is my new segment that I will be doing every Wednesday called Thursday, where I make beautiful drinks, popular drinks that we're all familiar with. And some I may even create on my own. So please enjoy this video, and if you like this content, give it a like, give it a comment, and continue to be inspired and create magic.
Anywhere you go, give it